Thank you guys for coming. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Hello, welcome to Bruin Self Defense Quick Tips. We had a request to do a specific household item from one of our recreation employees. She asked us to look at using a pillow and blanket as self-defense weapons, since those are the things that she uses the most. So I'm going to do it. Over here I have my London bus pillow. You may not have exactly the same, but you might have something of a similar shape. Now, how can I use this? It's pretty soft. Probably won't be able to do much damage with it, but it doesn't mean I can't use it as a self-defense weapon. So first off, just like I'm holding it like this, it can be used as a shield. Whether someone has a weapon or whether they're punching at me, I can divert things, push away like this, and it can be quite an effective shield. And we'll go through some different items that can be used as effective shields on another video. So that's one way. Another way would be hold it one side, and I can whip this around. And I can use it to swing and strike with it. Now again, it's not very hard, but it would distract. And if you're lucky, mine doesn't, but if yours has a zip on it, then hold the zip out so that you may be able to catch them or scratch them a little bit with that zip. The other one you could use is you could use it kind of in a surprising way. Say there's an argument happening and you have to engage. Maybe you just put it up in front of their face and you punch them in the face so they can't see it. The old newspaper in the face trick can be done with a pillow as well. So that's a way to use kind of pillows in self-defense manners. I'm going to grab my other one here. It's my blanket. Mine's zipped up and has a really handy handle right here. So again, I can swing this around like that. But most blankets I don't think are like that, so we're going to open it up. If I open it up just like this and I can have it quite thin, I can wrap my hand in it. I'm going to use that about that length. And now I've got a nice length to whip around, and I can use that depending on the length. And again, it's soft, but it would still distract someone. I can also wrap up, similar to the tea towel video that we may have seen, I can wrap up twice. Now I've got something that can deflect, I've got something that can choke, I've got something that can disarm, and I'm protecting my hands, especially if it's a weapon. So protecting my hands to deflect against something sharp is possible as well. The other thing you could do with, I'll unwrap it fully here. Now, getting into the realm of plausibility here, but I could just hide. And it seems very silly, but that might be the thing that saves you. I play this with my son all the time. He likes to go around the corner and then run out and kind of surprise me. And every now and then I'll throw the blanket over my head and he'll run out and be like, oh, where's Daddy gone? And I'll surprise him. So you could use it to hide, like Frodo going down the hill to Mordor, or Harry Potter might count as an invisibility cloak. We're getting into less and less efficient ways to use it now. You could do the opposite. Instead of putting it over your head to hide, you could have it out like this and throw it in front of someone so it impairs their vision, and that gives you enough time to escape or survive from there. The last thing that could be used for self-defense wise is as a bandage. Say you did get injured or someone else was injured, you can use this to tie, probably not a tourniquet, not a very effective tourniquet, but you could stuff a wound, you could wrap a wound and try and help someone that way, which is effectively a very important part of self-defense, which we'll cover in other videos. So hopefully you are sitting watching Netflix, you've got your pillow and your self-defense, pillow and your blanket, and you feel a lot safer right now. So stay safe and enjoy your training, Bruins.